Wealth does not respond to wishes. I hope you know that. Wealth responds to structure, it responds to strategy, and most importantly, it responds to people who take control. You are not born to struggle financially forever. You are not placed here just to work, pay bills, and hope things work out. No, you can do better. You are here to build wealth, to protect it, and to pass it on to the next generation. And one of the most powerful ways to do that is understand how to use life insurance the right way. Let's get into it. Firstly, wealth is not something you chase. Here is the truth most people never hear. Wealth is something you don't chase. Wealth is not something you chase, like I said. It is something you design. And the wealthy don't just earn money. They protect money, they grow money, and above all, they control money. That is where life insurance comes in. Not the basic kind of life insurance you think about, but with strategies like Index Universal Life, you are able to achieve that. You are able to grow your money tax advantaged. You're able to access it during your lifetime, protect your life, protect your family, your loved ones, no matter what. Wealth is not just about making money. No, it goes beyond that. It's about keeping it and making it work for you. Secondly, your mind is the command center. Your mind is the command center of your financial life. You might not think about it that way, but that is the truth. If your mindset is, I'll figure it out later, life insurance is too expensive, I'll wait until I make more money, I'm too young for life insurance, then no strategy will save you in future. But if your mindset is trained to think smart, if your mindset is trained to picture things in a different perspective, like how do I protect what I'm building, how do I create tax-free income, how do I build generational wealth, then everything changes. Everything begins to work out for your own good with time. Because wealth itself is first built in your decision before it shows up in physical cash. Thirdly, learn to guard the temple of your mind. You must guard your financial mindset like a king guards his kingdom. It's funny, but it's a fact. Because what you believe about money becomes your reality most times. Most people think life insurance is an expense. They think life insurance is too expensive. Most people think retirement is all about 401k. Most people think taxes are unavoidable. But the wealthy thinks different. The rich thinks different. They ask questions like, how do I reduce my taxes legally? How can I create generational wealth for my unborn kids and my kids? How do I create guaranteed protection? How do I build income that will last a lifetime? They don't just react to life, they prepare for life. The rich, the wealthy prepare for life. Fourthly, program your mind daily. Every day you are programming your financial future, whether you like it or not. Every day you programming your financial future. Most people say things like, I hope I'll be okay in retirement. You can't just live on hope. Because the way they say things like, I will build a system that will guarantee I'll be okay in retirement. That is the difference. Such systems can include life insurance for protection, cash value for growth, tax-free loans for income. You just name it. This isn't luck. This is intentional design. Also, scarcity is a virus. Scarcity sounds like, I can't afford life insurance this time. I'll do it later. It's not a priority right now. I'm too young for life insurance. I'm healthy. I don't need life insurance. You name it. But here is the reality. Waiting costs you more. Waiting limits your option. Waiting can disqualify you completely in future. Abundance thinking says, how do I make this work now? How do I lock in my insurability today? How do I use this as a way tool, not just for protection? Because the right policy, listen, my friends, the right policy is not an expense. The right policy is not an expense. It is an asset. Also, build your vision first. Learn to build your vision first. You need to get it clear. Not just I want to be rich, not just I want to be successful, but how much income do I want in retirement? Do I want tax-free income? Do I want to leave money behind for my family? Once that vision is clear, then you build the strategy. You work towards building the strategy, and life insurance becomes your protection plan. It becomes your growth engine. It becomes your income strategy, all in one. And lastly, I will say it involves daily work, execution. This is not about hype. This is about execution. You have to put in the work. You have to get educated, put a plan in place, fund it consistently, review and adjust over time as need be. That is how wealth is built. It's not built overnight, but intentionally you can achieve this. Listen carefully, my friends. Your future is not decided by what you earn now. Your future is not decided by what you earn. It's decided by what you build, what you can save, what you can build. And the people who win financially are the ones who take action early. If you want to learn how to use life insurance the right way for protection, tax-free growth, retirement income, reach out, book a call with me, and I'll do my best to set you up right. And lest I forget, if this helped you, please do like, subscribe, and follow for more strategies on building real wealth.